Hi viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to see some logical calculations of a height from which a ball is thrown like 10 floors height, and each floor height is equal to 3 meters. So, and ball is dropped from that building. And we need to calculate each and every floor, how much time that ball is taking to travel. For this, we need to use for loop for each and every floor. We will decrease it from top to bottom, so that's what we need it. And here we have some formula, s equal to ut plus half at square. So s is simply distance covered, so distance covered we will be calculating and then we will be doing. So initial velocity will be of the ball will be 0, from the top it is placed. So distance covered will be calculating. So how we need to calculate is each floor height and multiply with the floor, which floor it is. So that's the height of the building, we'll get it, and every time each floor it gets decreased, the height of the distance will be also decreased. Okay, so this is what we get, time equal to square root of 2s by a, and for this we need to write the code in C lab, programming lab. So this is a simple calculation which we need to follow. So without wasting time, let's get started with the code. So here I've already written the comments of the question. We will take two integers like floor and height of the floor. So, and also we'll take like a value a, acceleration, which is 9.8 meter per second, which is normal acceleration or a gravity, I can tell you. So that's what it is, double it is, and we'll write like time taken for the each ball to for the each floor it is will be something like that. We will be mentioning it out. Next we'll use the for loop where I need I, so I'll again initialize this I as an integer. So and I'll initialize this value I value with the floor. So 10th floor it is in, so we'll take it as a 10th, and then what I'll do, I should be greater than or equal to 0. 0th floor is the ground, which means, and it should get decremented each time the floor gets the ball comes down, it should get decreased. So we'll calculate the s. As I told you, distance is nothing but your floor number. Oh, here I have floor number with the height, the height of the floor. So it's 30 meters height, so 10 into 30, so that's what we will get s. And simply we'll use square root. It's a predefined keyword. If you use the math library, then you will get it, square root 2 into s, this distance covered, but divided by the acceleration, which is 9.8, is a fixed. So I'll write just print f, like I'll be printing like in this floor, this is the time taken. So time taken by the ball to reach 10th floor, 9th floor, 8th floor, so similar kind of thing. So I'll display that I value, so that I will get always decrease. So that's what it is, and then I'll display the time. That's what it is. Okay, so simple video, simple formula, simple logic. Let's execute it. Okay, I got some errors, like in double I have not placed semicolon, and floors I have not kept yes. Okay, and also t will be something like a double, right? S is I have not initialized, so I need to initialize the s as well. I integer. T will be might be double value, so I'll be taking as double, and I'll be displaying it as a float value dot 12 same f. As if you have seen my previous video, I'm using the same thing. So that's it for this. Now let us execute it. If I execute it, I'm getting the values. Now what I'll do, we'll check this, verify it using ChatGPT as usual. We'll copy the question, we'll give it to the ChatGPT, and also we'll copy the answer whatever we have received. We'll give it to ChatGPT, both the things, and then let's check the answers. Okay, let's give some time for the ChatGPT to verify it or calculate it by itself. Okay, so I'm just waiting. Let us see what happening. So I have taken the same thing, same formula which we have used. It is calculating from 0th floor. That's fine. But let's see what's the last, what does it says. If something gets wrong, let's rewrite the code again. But it has to like provided answer is correct as it values, but the sequence arrange is from top to bottom. Yes, we have taken all the ball on the top. From the top we have just leaving it out. So that's good. The answer is correct. So that's all for this video. If you have liked this, please subscribe my channel and hit that like button. Thank you.